Hi guys, I'm Freddie. Welcome to Heybike Station. Today we're going to be looking at how to replace the controller in your bike. I've got the Tyson with me here. Let's get started. First, we need to turn off the bike and remove the battery. And then you should locate the controller. Controllers vary in location depending on the model. This is a folding model. The controller is located inside the folding section, and it's only accessible when the bike is folded. Models with exposed batteries, like the Mars 2.0, have the controller inside the actual frame, beneath the battery. For non-folding models with internal batteries, the controller is under the battery base. And now we can start to replace the controller. Use a Phillips screwdriver to open the controller housing or the battery base. Gently remove the controller without unplugging anything. Unplug and reconnect each wire one at a time. Disconnect from the old controller. Then plug in the new one. Place the new controller in the original position. Reattach the housing or battery base with the original screws. Reinstall the battery. Power on the bike. Test all functions to ensure everything is working properly.